Hi, my name is Brad Kirkland, and I'm a Tax Compliance Officer with the City of Los Angeles Office of Finance. I will be walking you through the website that will allow you to file your annual business tax renewal online. Let's get started by accessing the e-filing website, which can be done in two ways. Number one, go to the Office of Finance website and click Online Taxpayer Services, then click Renew My Annual Business Tax. Or, number two, type the following in the address bar: https://latax.lacity.org/f-logon.jsp. Either way will take you to the logon screen you see here. Next, you may log on using your account number, which can be found on either your business tax registration certificate or on your renewal notice. You may also use your Social Security number or your Federal Employer Identification number that you reported to the Office of Finance. Click into the box and enter either your business tax registration certificate number, Social Security number, or Federal Employer Identification number. Then enter your street number and zip code. Please enter only your street number and not the street name. If the Social Security number or Federal Employer Identification number and street number entered has more than one account associated with it, then you will see the Select Single Account e-filing screen. Next, you will need to choose the location you wish to use to file the renewal. If your business has multiple locations, you will need to complete the e-filing process separately for each location. Click the Proceed to e-filing button. The next screen will give you a chance to confirm that this is your account. If so, click Continue with e-filing. If account is not yours, click Exit e-filing and start over. Next, you will see a page that gives you the different steps the e-filing system will take you through. The following screen provides information on State Senate Bill 1186, state legislation mandating the dissemination of disability access information. If you have two or more business activities that are reported based on gross receipts, and if one of those activities generates at least 80% of the taxable gross receipts of your business, you may make an annual election to report all of the annual taxable gross receipts under the primary activity. The e-filing process will ask if you want a single category file. If you choose yes, you must select the fund class in which you have earned 80% of your taxable gross receipts. If you choose no, then you are required to report the taxable gross receipts for each fund class that your company is engaged in. The next screen will give you the opportunity to enter the taxable gross receipts earned for each fund class that your company registered with the Office of Finance. If you have 3 business activities and do not choose a single category file, then you will see this screen 3 separate times for each activity. If you choose a single category file, you will be given one screen to report all combined taxable gross receipts. Now we will collect your total gross receipts, which means all revenue earned within and outside the City of Los Angeles. This will allow us to determine if you qualify for the Small Business Exemption. For more information, see the Small Business Exemption webinar. Also, on this screen, e-filing will collect any gross receipts earned as a creative artist, if this applies to your company. Now, the e-filing system will ask for your primary and secondary business activity codes, which you can locate on your federal income tax return. The next page will give you a chance to change any information previously collected that is not correct. If all information is correct, click Generate My Tax Renewal button. Otherwise, make the necessary changes and then click Generate My Tax Renewal button. After clicking Generate My Tax Renewal, the system will show you a page which will list all the information you entered and your calculated tax liability. On this page, you are asked to electronically sign your return. The email address is important, if you have one, because we will send you a confirmation of your renewal filing for your record. After completing the e-filing annual tax reporting form, if there is nothing due to the City of Los Angeles, you will be given a renewal form confirmation for Zero Amount Due page, which you will need to print for your record and then exit from e-filing. This completes your filing process. If there is a balance due to the City of Los Angeles, you will be presented with our payment option screen. There are 4 ways you can remit payment of your balance due to the city. The first 2 options, credit card, debit card, and e-check, are processed by a third party. If you use a credit card or debit card, there is a fee assessed for using this payment method. If you pay by e-check, there is not a fee. Pay by check. If you choose this payment option, e-filing will give you a renewal form to mail in, and you should attach a check and mail both on or before the last day of February to be considered timely. If the last day in February is a Saturday, Sunday, or holiday, your renewal and payment must be postmarked by the end of the following business day. Your renewal is not considered filed with the Office of Finance until the mailed-in form is received. Pay by ACH. If your liability is $50,000 or more, you are required to remit payment by ACH, and the Office of Finance will process your payment based on the banking information that is collected. Once you have completed your online payment, you will receive a payment confirmation. At this point, your e-filing for the selected location is now complete, and you will receive a confirmation that your annual business tax renewal filing has been received. Please print the confirmation notices for your record. Thank you for using our e-filing system, and we hope that this webinar has been helpful. For more information, please visit the Office of Finance website at www.finance.lacity.org. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.